welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a random Walmart haul. So ever since all of this Corona stuff has been going on, every store has been lacking in the cleaning supply department, which I'm sure you know. I still haven't seen any disinfectant spray like Lysol and stuff at Walmart, and I still have yet to find antibacterial wipes. So I wanted to show you what I did find, because I'm pretty much almost out of every cleaning product. I was gonna put an order in on Grove, but they were out of some of the things that I wanted, so I was like, just forget it, I'll wait till they restock. And we went to Walmart today and I got some cleaning stuff, got some random stuff, some snacks I'm gonna share with you. But I wanted to show you some stuff that I picked up. Yeah, so let's get started. All right, so here is just a quick overview, and then I'm going to go through everything piece by piece and tell you what I got and all that fun stuff. So I'm going to start over here with this children's Benadryl, okay? I was taking this and it was helping me sleep, and then I ran out, and last night I ended up actually using my CBD oil, which worked really well, but I just wanted to have another bottle of this on hand just because I like to have it here. Just for several reasons, but mostly in case I need like emergency sleep, you know what I mean? So I got a bottle of just the Walmart brand children's Benadryl. I got a single bar of Dove soap because I actually ran out of hand soap, and Alan took my Dove bar out of the tub and put it on the bathroom sink to wash his hands with, and I'm like, no, not happening. So I got me another bar of Dove soap because he was using mine for his hand soap. Next up, I got 2 boxes of baking soda. This is the Walmart brand. It's quite a bit cheaper than name brand, and it's the same thing, so this is a good deal. It was like 50 cents or whatever. But I got this because I love having baking soda around. You know, it's good for so many things, but I love to put it in my garbage disposal because sometimes your garbage disposal gets a little funky, honey. So if you pour some baking soda down in there, maybe a little squeeze of lemon, a little dish soap, run some water, run your garbage disposal, it'll get rid of all those funky smells. I also like to have them opened up inside of my icebox because it helps with smells in there as well. I also got a bottle of Glade spray, and this is powder fresh. It smells really good. I also got a Febreze plug-in, and this comes with the, well, this and the plug-in. And this was like $4 something, and this is the Linen and Sky scent. I got a lint roller because I ran out of lint roller. Is that what I would say? I ran out of lint roller, hello. And I just have so much cat hair on me. These cats are driving me crazy. So I had to get a new lint roller, honey. Walmart is so out of so many soaps, it's ridiculous, but I picked up this one because it's cute, but it smelled nice. So this is the Cherry Blossom Moisturizing Hand Soap, but they need to restock on hand soaps because they're driving me crazy. Next up, girl, I don't know if y'all remember, but I used to do this all the time. You mix the fabric softener with the water in the spray bottle and you spray everything in your home with it. Do y'all remember I used to do that in Virginia? It's been so long since I did it. I don't even know if I've did this since I moved back to Texas. I feel like life has just been so hectic since I moved back here that I haven't done a lot of the things that I normally do, and I need to just get back into a normal routine of what I normally do in life. So yeah, I got this empty bottle, gonna be mixing it with the blue Suavitel with some water. Mix it together, spray it on your bed sheets, on your blankets, curtains, your rugs. It smells so good, and it makes your home just smell so fresh and clean. Next up, I got a soap dispensing brush. Now I know they have the ones with the wand that has like a sponge on it, and you can fill up like the whole wand with whatever, but I went ahead and got this one because Alan said this would be good. Okay, well, first of all, I got it to clean out my bathtub with, but Alan said this would actually be a good scrubber for like things on the floor, like the little paint speckles that are on there from when they painted the apartment and all that stuff. So you can fill it up with soap and things like that, and then you just press it and the soap comes out, and then you boop, 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 clean. But I seen a trick the other day about Dawn dish soap and vinegar. So I'm gonna be trying that, and that's why I got the little thing of Dawn, just test it out, and I'm gonna be putting that in here. I also got a new bottle of the Spray Away glass cleaner. This is the foam one. I was running out of it. And yeah, so this is Spray Away brand, world's best glass cleaner. I literally got addicted to this a while back and I just love this stuff. It's fun to use and it works really good, and yeah. Next up, I got some lemon scented all-purpose cleaner. Kills 99.9% of germs, cleans and disinfects. And I just got this to clean everything with. I mean, kitchen countertops, bathroom, shower, whatever. I'm gonna be using that on everything, and it's lemon scented and we love lemon scents. So yeah, that's good. So next up, I got this Fabuloso Complete Floral Burst All-in-One. So yeah, this is the all-in-one Fabuloso Complete. I've never tried this one before. It's a multi-purpose cleaner. I'm gonna be using this, you know, to wipe off my countertops, mop my floor with, clean my kitchen, whatever. It says it helps remove stains, cuts through grease, irresistible fragrance, and removes lime scale. You can use it on your floors, walls, bathrooms, living room, and almost every hard surface. So I actually love Fabuloso. Been using Fabuloso for years, but I just haven't tried this one, the complete one. Have you guys tried it? Do you like it? I don't know, we're gonna see. Okay, so that is my little cleaning haul supply. Like I said, they don't got the wipes, they don't got the spray, but this will do for now. I am the type of person that craves new cleaning products. I just love getting new cleaning products, so I've been literally dying since I've been running out of stuff. So I'm just so excited. I'm so thrilled. I'm gonna be using all of this in an upcoming video. And yeah, I'm really happy about that. All right, moving on to food. So we got some random snacks, y'all. I don't even know where to start. Let's start over here with this kitty litter. We used to use this kitty litter. I don't know if you guys remember, but then we quit using it for a while and I decided to go back to it. I want to test it out and just try it again. I don't know what happened, why we quit using it. I used to actually love it, and then I wanted to try something different, and then we've just been testing out different stuff. But I used to love this litter. It's the crystal litter. So I'm gonna try this out again and see if I like it. I don't know what I'm doing. I get a little crazy sometimes and I wanna try different stuff. So yeah, I'm going back to that. We also got some Capri Sun Roaring Waters, 50% less sugar. This is tropical Tide flavor. I wanted it because I seen a pineapple and an orange, or orange, whatever, and cherry. This just looks good to me. I don't know, I haven't tasted it. We'll see, but it looked really good, so I'm gonna find out. We also got some Cokes. We actually have 2 more packs of these, but they're in the truck. Alan needs to go get them out. They were like on sale for 3 for $8. So that was a really good deal, so we picked up them. We also got 3 Jones Soda. We actually had 4, but we drank one in the truck. This is the green apple. We drank the orange cream in the truck, and it was really good. This one's berry lemonade, and then this one, oh, another orange cream. He got 2 of them. Next up, we got Mountain Dew Frostbite. I've never tried this before, but it just looked really good, and when I Googled it, I think it said that it was like a frosty melon flavor, so we got these to try. I'm really excited to try those out. We also got these original Bomb Pop watermelon popsicles. Watermelon with candy seeds. Oh, it's watermelon and lime with candy seeds. That is gonna be so good. So this reminded me of those Laffy Taffies. Do you guys remember those Laffy Taffies that were watermelon flavored and then they had the little black seeds in them? Those were my favorite. They quit making them, and as soon as I seen this, I was like, ah, gotta have it. These are probably gonna be so delicious. I'll let y'all know. Next up, we got 3 different bags of chips. We got Walmart brand Jalapeno Jack Pepper Jack Cheese Tortilla Chips. We got Spicy Nacho Doritos. We got Cantina Style Tortilla Chips. We got Queso Blanco Cheese Dip. I'm excited to try this. I haven't tried like this particular one before, and I haven't tried this either, but it looked really good. The Cantina Salsa, that's the On the Border brand. We got some banana peppers, some cherry tomatoes, some ranch, so we can dip our vegetables in. And we also got some fresh baked garlic bread. You know we love garlic. So yeah, that is my random haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. What do you think about all this crazy stuff I bought? It was like the most randomest haul ever, but I'm so excited about this. Yeah. So yeah, this is what it looks like under my cabinet. I keep all of my cleaning products under the kitchen sink, so this is what I have as of right now, and I literally feel like I barely had anything under there. I've got some air freshener, some Lysol, some Comet. This is dishwasher cleaner, some dish soap. This is a little thing of Pine Sol I got from the Dollar Tree. It smells really good. It's like floral scented. This little sponge Alan got me, it's so cute. It's like a little ducky. It's adorable, but I ended up using it for the first time last night and I loved it. But yeah, so now I'm going to rearrange all of the stuff under here and put my new stuff down here. Also, just showing you guys, these are the Swiffer pads I use. They're for pets and they're actually dry. They're the Swiffer dry, so yeah, I like the wet ones too, but I've been using those because my mom had given me 2 boxes of them, so not gonna let them go to waste. So I'm taking the garbage bags out of the box because I feel like boxes take up too much room when you have limited space. So I'm just gonna put my garbage bags in this little bucket. I got this bucket from Grove and I just have like some gloves in it and some sponges and stuff like that. So I took everything out and I'm gonna reload it. I had a little issue with like trying to figure out where I wanted to put things and how I wanted to put them. I think because of the pipes and all that, and then the fire extinguisher thing, whatever it's called, it takes up a lot of space in there. So I have to figure out and move things in certain positions to get everything to fit in there. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. You're probably gonna see me put things in places and then move it and move it again and move it again and rearrange it, because that's just what I do. And honestly, I ended up giving up. You'll see at the end, I just closed the cabinet. I'm like, okay, I can't do this anymore. I'm driving myself nuts. I'm just a little cray-cray. I can't help it. But yeah, so I just want to say thanks so much for watching this video. I know it wasn't much and it was pretty random, but I decided to share it anyway. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe if you like my content and give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. I would love to hear from you and I love talking with you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna stop with this voiceover now and just let you watch the video and hear a little bit of music, and I'll see you guys next time.